1. 1976 Volkswagen ProStreet Camaro Z28. Price, $18,500, located Ballston Spa, New York. The 1976 Volkswagen ProStreet Camaro Z28 is an extraordinary custom build that combines the unmistakable appearance of a classic Camaro with the lightweight engineering of a Volkswagen Beetle chassis. Finished in stunning Maserati Mediterranean blue with professionally applied quick-draw pinstriping, this unique show car attracts attention wherever it goes. The one-piece fiberglass Camaro body has been carefully modified to fit the shortened Beetle frame, creating an unforgettable blend of American muscle styling and Volkswagen performance. Power comes from a highly built 2,332 cubic centimeters Volkswagen engine producing more than 200 horsepower, featuring dual 44mm Weber carburetors, MSD ignition, chrome engine components, an electric fuel pump, and a mirrored engine compartment. The high-performance Volkswagen transaxle includes solid mounts, a heavy-duty clutch, and a lightened flywheel for responsive acceleration. Additional upgrades include four-wheel disc brakes, adjustable front suspension, coilover shocks, LED ground effects, a receiver hitch, and an impressive kicker and Kenwood sound system. This excellent condition ProStreet Camaro is ideal for cruise nights, car shows, and enthusiasts seeking a truly one-of-a-kind custom classic. 2. 1979 Mustang ProStreet. Price, $14,500, located Red Lion, Pennsylvania. The 1979 Mustang ProStreet is a purpose-built performance machine designed for enthusiasts who appreciate serious power and aggressive street presence. Finished with a classic Fox body appearance, this Mustang is equipped with a proven 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a durable TCI automatic transmission, delivering strong acceleration and dependable performance. The narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle, combined with a professionally installed 4-link suspension, provides excellent traction and stability during hard launches. A full roll cage, racing seats, Simpson safety belts, and four-wheel disc brakes reflect the vehicle's race-inspired construction while maintaining street drivability. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well, making it suitable for local cruising, weekend events, or occasional drag strip outings. The body maintains an aggressive ProStreet stance that immediately attracts attention wherever it appears. Built with performance and safety in mind, this Mustang represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors and muscle car enthusiasts seeking a unique vehicle that blends classic American styling with proven racing components and dependable mechanical performance for years of enjoyable ownership. 3. 1986 Mustang ProStreet. Price, $22,500, located Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1986 Mustang ProStreet is a professionally modified performance car built for enthusiasts who appreciate drag racing engineering combined with street capability. Originally constructed as a race car, this Mustang features a back half chassis conversion, oversized rear tires mounted on new ProStar wheels, and a fiberglass hood that complements its aggressive appearance. Power comes from a strong 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with a modern Sniper EFI fuel injection system, delivering excellent throttle response and reliable performance. The Turbo 400 transmission includes a reverse pattern manual valve body and Pro stick shifter, providing precise gear changes under demanding conditions. Inside, the vehicle has been upgraded with new carpet, Kirky racing seats, a Holley 7-inch digital gauge, and additional monitoring screens for improved driver information. Functional headlights, brake lights, and turn signals allow the car to remain practical for street use. This well-maintained ProStreet Mustang offers exceptional performance, bold styling, and dependable mechanical upgrades, making it an exciting choice for collectors and drivers looking for a powerful custom American classic. 4. 1986 Ford Mustang. Price, $30,000, located Lake St. Louis, Missouri. The 1986 Ford Mustang is a high-performance ProStreet build engineered for serious horsepower while maintaining impressive attention to detail throughout every component. Under the hood is a freshly assembled iron 5.3-liter engine featuring premium internal components, AFR V2 cylinder heads, a 76mm turbocharger, Bosch injectors, and a Holley Terminator X engine management system. The drivetrain includes a refreshed TH400 automatic transmission with Pro Brake, a Circle D torque converter, and a strengthened 8.8 rear axle fitted with Moser components and Viking adjustable shocks. The chassis benefits from QA1 suspension upgrades, Willwood front brakes, Strange steering components, and Weld racing wheels for exceptional handling and traction. Inside, matching Kirky racing seats, RJ's 5-point harnesses, and a modern Holly Pro dash create a professional cockpit designed for competition. The complete electrical system has been rewired, while all lights remain functional for street operation. This Mustang delivers outstanding performance, advanced engineering, and exceptional reliability, making it a remarkable opportunity for anyone seeking an expertly built pro-street muscle car. 5. 1987 Ford Mustang GT Coupe 2D. Price, $6,000, located Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The 1987 Ford Mustang GT Coupe 2D offers an excellent foundation for anyone looking to own a competitive pro-street project with extensive performance upgrades already completed. Built around the popular Fox body platform, this Mustang has been equipped with a professionally installed 4-link rear suspension, a certified roll cage, frame connectors, and a strengthened rear axle prepared to handle significant horsepower. The chassis is designed to accept a wide variety of engine and transmission combinations, allowing the next owner to complete the build according to personal preferences. Additional equipment includes an MSD grid ignition system, dual fuel pumps, racepack data logger, braided fuel lines, aftermarket radiator, transmission cooler, oil cooler, dual batteries, nitro controller, Weld racing wheels, and Mickey Thompson Street and Strip legal tires. Lexan windows and upgraded wiring further demonstrate the attention given to performance and reliability. With a clean title and countless racing components already installed, this Mustang represents exceptional value for enthusiasts seeking a serious drag racing project or an impressive custom street machine. 6. 1976 Pontiac Firebird Formula Pro Street. Price, $22,000, located Staten Island, New York. The 1976 Pontiac Firebird Formula Pro Street is a bold American muscle car that has been transformed into an impressive street and strip machine with outstanding performance upgrades. Built with an aggressive pro street stance, this Firebird features massive Mickey Thompson 33x22 rear tires tucked beneath professionally tubbed rear wheel wells, creating an unmistakable appearance. Power comes from a rebuilt 455 cubic inch Pontiac engine fitted with Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, delivering exceptional torque and strong acceleration. An 8-point roll bar provides additional chassis rigidity and improved driver safety, while the 4-link rear suspension ensures excellent traction during hard launches. 4-wheel disc brakes offer confident stopping performance, and the custom fabricated metalwork demonstrates careful craftsmanship throughout the build. The 10-gallon fuel cell supports reliable fuel delivery during spirited driving or competition use. According to the seller, the vehicle has accumulated very low miles since completion, making it an attractive option for collectors and enthusiasts alike. This Firebird combines classic Pontiac styling with serious pro-street engineering for an unforgettable driving experience. 7. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street. Price, $35,000, located Ephrata, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street is an exceptional custom muscle car that combines timeless first-generation Camaro styling with outstanding performance enhancements. Finished in an eye-catching blue exterior complemented by a custom gray interior, this Camaro has been carefully owned for many years and showcases impressive craftsmanship throughout. Power is provided by a supercharged 427 cubic inch stroker engine based on a 454 block with a 396 crankshaft, producing approximately 500 horsepower. The Borg-Warner Super T10 manual transmission delivers a classic driving experience while transferring power to a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with 3.73 gears. Extensive chrome detailing throughout the engine compartment and undercarriage adds remarkable visual appeal at any car show. Custom paint, upgraded interior finishes, and carefully selected performance components make this Camaro stand out among traditional muscle cars. Built to deliver exciting performance while maintaining classic character, this Pro Street Camaro represents an excellent opportunity for collectors seeking a powerful, reliable, and beautifully customized American classic with lasting appeal. 8. 1968 AMC Rambler Pro Street. Price, $28,000, located Bethel, Pennsylvania. The 1968 AMC Rambler Pro Street is a rare custom-built American classic that offers a unique alternative to more common muscle cars while delivering impressive performance and distinctive styling. Under the hood is a dependable 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, providing smooth power delivery and proven reliability. The vehicle rides on aggressive QuickTime Pro performance tires that complement its unmistakable Pro Street appearance and enhance traction for spirited driving. Carefully garage-kept throughout its ownership, this Rambler has been preserved in good condition and remains ready for shows, cruises, or weekend events. Included with the vehicle is a binder containing receipts, build information, and documentation, along with a magazine featuring the car, adding valuable history for future owners. The seller notes that the rear wing will be removed before the sale, preserving the intended presentation of the vehicle. Combining uncommon AMC heritage with proven Chevrolet performance, this Pro Street Rambler is an outstanding collector car that stands apart from traditional muscle car builds while offering dependable performance and lasting originality. 9. 1969 Chevrolet Impala Pro Street. Price, $33,500, located Richmond, Indiana. The 1969 Chevrolet Impala Pro Street is an outstanding full-size American muscle car built to deliver exceptional performance while maintaining its unmistakable classic styling. Finished in elegant shadow gray metallic with a custom red interior, this Impala immediately stands out with its aggressive stance and professionally completed Pro Street modifications. Power comes from a professionally built 383 cubic inch stroker V8 equipped with a WEIN 671 supercharger and dual Edelbrock carburetors, producing impressive horsepower while operating on premium pump gasoline. A turbo 400 automatic transmission transfers power efficiently to a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle designed for durability and traction. The lowered suspension, coilover shocks, power steering, and power disc brakes provide confident handling and excellent driving characteristics. Weld racing wheels and oversized rear performance tires complete the aggressive appearance, while the custom interior features performance gauges and a floor-mounted shifter. Combining reliable street manners with serious muscle car performance, this beautifully built Impala is an excellent choice for collectors seeking a distinctive Pro Street classic with exceptional craftsmanship and timeless Chevrolet appeal. 10. 1957 Chevrolet Pro Street Pickup. Price, $48,500, located Clarkston, Michigan. The 1957 Chevrolet Pro Street Pickup is an exceptional custom truck that perfectly combines timeless classic styling with impressive modern performance upgrades. Finished in attractive cashmere blue paint, this short bed pickup features a remarkably straight body and excellent overall presentation, making it equally suitable for car shows and weekend cruising. Under the hood is a powerful 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a dependable turbo 400 automatic transmission, delivering outstanding torque and smooth acceleration. Performance upgrades include an aluminum intake manifold, Holley carburetor, aluminum radiator with dual electric cooling fans, and a durable 9-inch rear axle equipped with 3.90 gears. The Camaro front subframe, 4-bar rear suspension with coilover shocks, power steering, and front power disc brakes significantly improve handling and driving comfort. Custom polished billet wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson tires enhance the truck's aggressive stance. Additional comfort features include fully functional air conditioning and heating. This professionally built Chevrolet pickup offers dependable performance, impressive craftsmanship, and classic American truck styling that continues to attract attention wherever it travels. 11. 1997 Pontiac Trans Am. Price, $20,000, located Mountain Grove, Missouri. The 1997 Pontiac Trans Am is a heavily modified Pro Street machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate outstanding performance both on the street and at the drag strip. Finished in sleek black inside and out, this Trans Am features an aggressive stance supported by a tubbed rear chassis and oversized performance tires that emphasize its competition-inspired appearance. Under the hood is a built 383 cubic inch stroker small block Chevrolet engine enhanced with a nitrous oxide system, providing exceptional horsepower and thrilling acceleration. Power is delivered through a race-prepared transmission featuring a manual valve body, while the narrowed rear axle with a spool ensures maximum durability and traction during hard launches. The seller describes the vehicle as a dependable weekend warrior designed for both street driving and strip performance. Numerous additional upgrades contribute to the car's impressive capabilities, making it an exciting choice for serious performance enthusiasts. Combining aggressive styling, reliable mechanical components, and proven racing equipment, this Pontiac Trans Am offers an unforgettable driving experience for collectors seeking a unique and powerful Pro Street American performance car. 12. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $20,000, located Des Moines, Iowa. The 1980 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a professionally built pro-street muscle car engineered to deliver extraordinary horsepower while maintaining classic Chevrolet styling. Finished in vibrant orange with a black interior, this Malibu features a supercharged 355 cubic inch engine equipped with forged internal components, aluminum cylinder heads, titanium valves, and dual carburetors specially prepared for E85 fuel. Depending on pulley configuration, the engine produces approximately 800 to more than 1,000 horsepower, making it an exceptionally powerful street and strip machine. A built PowerGlide 2-speed automatic transmission with trans brake and a high-performance stall converter transfers power to a reinforced 9-inch rear axle featuring 35 spline axles and 4.11 gearing. The vehicle also includes an 8-point roll cage, nitrous system installation, and a clean title. Every major component has been selected to maximize durability and performance under demanding conditions. This impressive Chevrolet Malibu offers outstanding acceleration, dependable engineering, and unmistakable pro-street character, making it an exceptional opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a serious high-performance American classic.